Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you when you are opening any video file on VLC media player. At that time you are seeing this error message. Your input can't be open so as you can see guys in my screen, VLC is unable to open this. But your video file is extremely important. Don't panic. In this video I will show you step by step proven method to recover corrupted MP4 video file on Windows without damaging the original file. Before we start the video, I want to explain the problem, why you face this kind of problem. So first is this guys, this error usually appear when video recording was interrupted. Okay, second reason is this guys, the phone or PC shut down suddenly if while copying or while transferring the video file. If the PC was suddenly shut down or if your phone was suddenly shut down, at that time you can face this type of problem, or your file transfer was incomplete, copying or moving your video file from one drive to another drive. At that time the copy was not completed successfully. At that time you can definitely face this type of problem issue. So these are the most important reason behind this error. So let's fix it now. So before we start guys, one very important rule: never work directly on the original file. Always create a copy first. Okay, first you need to copy your original file and paste it, make it duplicate. Okay, when the file was successfully copied, open VLC media player, open the file and select your copy file, and then simply click on open, and then go to tools, click on preferences, and from here you need to open input codec like this, and here you can get the option damage or incomplete AVI file. You need to select always fix from here and then click on save settings. Now once again try to open your file, it will fix your problem. Many times the video start playing after this step. In case the problem is not solved, you can try the next method. Now once again you need to open that video file, simply click on media and then click on convert and save. If the file was not opening, just click on add button and select the video file, click on open. Okay, click on convert and save and select your destination folder and save the setting, click on start. Now it will start converting your video file. So it will take some time to convert the video. If the conversion completes successfully, your video is recover 100%. In case still the problem is same, you can try the method 3, advanced video repair. If the video was recorded on your phone or camera and got corrupted, use a repair tool that rebuild the video. You need to download and install one free repair tool. Just open any web browser and you need to search this tool Untensi free, download and install it. So it will also help you to fix your problems. So one more thing you need to remember this guys, if you have copy your video file from computer to USB, from your USB, if you are trying to open that video file, so at that time it can't be opened. Sometime you need to once again copy your video file from PC to USB drive once again. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. So remember one thing guys, if you don't want to face this problem in future, for next time, don't upload sensitive videos to random website, don't overwrite the original file, don't trust one click miracle repair tool blindly. Always try safe offline method first. Afterwards you can go with another option. If this video helped you recover an important file, make sure to like this video and subscribe to TECHiFY for more real working tech solution. See you in the next one.